We all know of shortcut keys like Command-C for copy and Command-V for paste. But did you know that Elementor has its own shortcuts to help speed up your workflow? In Elementor, these shortcuts are known as hotkeys. In today's video, I'll cover some of the main hotkeys available in Elementor. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Mick, the WordPress Mentor. I help DIY website creators to succeed with WordPress using Elementor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be alerted when I add new videos. Let us take a look at the hotkeys available in Elementor. Let's start by opening a page in Elementor. On the keyboard, press Command ? on a Mac or Ctrl ? on a PC and it will load up the Hotkeys panel. You will see the hotkeys are split into two categories: Action Hotkeys and Go-To Hotkeys. Action Hotkeys are based on familiar keyboard shortcuts we are already using in a daily basis across all programs and operating systems to do everyday tasks like copy and paste. Go-To hotkeys are specific to the Elementor page builder. They help speed up your workflow by quickly opening things like the Navigator or template library. Let us take a look at some of the main hotkeys available in Elementor. The Panel Preview hotkey allows you to toggle between the panel and the preview view quickly by pressing Ctrl or Command P on your keyboard. The Mobile hotkey allows you to toggle between the desktop, tablet and mobile views quickly by pressing the Ctrl or Command Shift M on your keyboard. The History hotkey allows you to open the History panel quickly by pressing the Ctrl and Command Shift H on your keyboard. The Navigator hotkey allows you to toggle the Navigator by pressing Ctrl or Command I on your keyboard. Template hotkey opens a template library by pressing Ctrl or Command Shift L on your keyboard. Thanks for watching. For a detailed walkthrough, please be sure to read my blog post, with the link is in the bio. If you scroll to the bottom of my blog post, you'll see they have a free printable hotkey poster available for download. You can then print this and stick it on your wall to keep the hotkeys fresh in your mind when you're using Elementor. Thanks for watching. Cheers, Mick.